Hey guys, so this is an 85 S-10 with a 2.5 liter Iron Duke, and it has the 5-speed and as well as 4x4, and it's missing an alternator. Finally found the bracket for the alternator right there, and it has a nasty oil leak behind the engine. So the people I bought it from purchased it and decided they were going to change out the cam for a new cam with a fiber Bendix on it. Well, they knocked something loose or knocked a steel loose somewhere because it now pukes oil. So it has, not sure if anybody's had this issue before, but if you had this issue before, please jump on here and give me some insight as to where I'm looking for this massive oil leak. Now I've got the transmission separated. I don't know if you can see it down there. But yeah, you can see that it is separated now, but it is hung up on the cross member, so chances are I'm gonna have to take the belt housing off to get to it. I just really haven't dived that deep into it yet, but I will and let you all know what I find. But if anybody has any insight as to what's going on with it at this time, just let me know. Also, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell for the notifications, and give it a like and leave some comments. It's not too bad of a truck, you know. Only paid 600 bucks for it. Glass is all still intact. Interior's a little, of course you got your Chevy door pins. And that side still needs to be cleaned out, but it does have a new clutch and pressure plate and all that stuff in it. Throw out bearing, new slave cylinder, all that. And it will be up for sale, I don't know, sometime in the next couple weeks. So hit me up. It's got some 30-inch tires on it too.